Hey guys, welcome to your C++ tutorial. Now in this tutorial we're gonna download the tools that we need in order to compile and run a C++ program. Now first of all, let me tell you what are the tools that we need to actually do C++ programming. First of all, we'll need an editor. Editor is something where we can write code like Notepad, Notepad++, or Sublime Text and all that. Then we need a compiler. A compiler is a thing that translates what we write to something that the machine can understand, or it translates our code into machine language. Then we need a linker. A linker basically links our code to the libraries of C++. And we also need something called a debugger. Debugger helps us to find the errors in our code and then correct those. Now we need these four things, and we have to download all those things separately. But instead of doing that, we're going to download something called an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Now an IDE contains a compiler, an editor, a linker, a debugger, and all that stuff. So an IDE is the only thing we'll need in order to run a C++ program. Now you can download any IDEs out there. There are Visual Studio, there are Borland, C++, but we're gonna use code blocks because this is the most popular and this is the most modern. We're gonna use that. So go to Google and write download code blocks. Code blocks, CODEBLOCKS. And once you've done that, go to the first link, and once you've clicked that, you will take into a page like this. So here's the download page of code blocks. So remember, from here we're gonna download the download binary release. Don't download the source code. We don't need this. We need this, download the binary release. So once you have clicked on that, you will be taken to a page like this. Now I'm on Windows, so I'm gonna download the Windows version, and make sure to download the second one, CodeBlocks 13.12 MingW, MENGW setup.exe. Now this MingW setup.exe is what we will need. If you're on Linux, download for your version, and if you're on Mac, you can also download it for your own version. I'm gonna Windows, so I'm gonna download this. Now you can download from BurleyOS or SourceForge.net. You can download from anyone. Once you have downloaded that, you just install that, and after you have installed that, you will get an icon on your home page. So you just double click that and code blocks will open. First time it will take some time to load, but once that opens, it will not take some time. So come on. The first time it opens like this. So all you gotta do is from here you can create a new project, or from file new project you can do, but I'm gonna go for create a new project. So click here, create a new project. Now here there are a lot of options. From here we're gonna go to the console application. So you just click on the console application and click on go, and then next, and we're gonna use C++. Make sure not to use C, and then next. Now give your project title. I'm gonna give it title tutorial 1. So I'm going to give it the title, and make sure to keep it in a folder that you love. I have kept it in test C++ folder. I have a test folder where all my language programs are there, so I have kept it here. You can put it anywhere, and then press next, and finally press finish. So once you have done that, you will be taken to a page like this. At the left side you will see a tutorial. This is our project. Inside that you will see something called source. Now here is all our C++ source code. Source code means whatever code we write. Now here you will see a plus sign. So just click on the plus sign and you will get something called main CPP. So just go and double click that. So once you have double click that, you will get something like this. So this is the code that CodeBlocks automatically writes for us. Okay, whenever you create a first project, CodeBlocks write this code for you. So I'm gonna explain the whole code in the next tutorial, but in this tutorial let's run this, and if you can run this, then you have everything set up. So you just go here, and here's a green triangle that says build and run. You just click that, and once you have clicked that, it will go and run your first project, and you'll get something like this. And what the heck is that? And it will say hello world. I'm sorry, I had some problem with my antivirus. So once you have done that, you will get a screen like this. It says hello world. Now if you have done that, then you can say that you have everything set up. From the next tutorial, I will explain each and every line of this code so that you can understand each and everything and you will be a great C++ programmer. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and it helped a lot. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to me and I'll be uploading new videos each and every day. So thank you very much.